Hello, this is Securemme 3+3 with the key. The lock is absolutely new from the box. Anti-pick. First thing you need to do is use this to break the patent. Left and right. After you cut this, you can insert the tool. You can see it's break. Now I show you. This we cut, but you have a clear to do it again, left and right. Now you can see left and right, it can turn, so you know now is the time to insert the tool. Again we check. Okay, this is the key again. You can see the lock is open, is work, sorry. So the lock without the... Now is the time to insert the tool. And now we start. Anti-pick. This is the first turn. Again. I think need to change the pins because it's very slow, but we start again. And the lock is open. There is the second turn, very, very deep. Again, we inserted the key. Everything works. This is Securemme 3+3. Thanks for watching.